Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Moving overlays in Photoshop Elements 2022 and later lets you add an animated overlay, graphic, or frame to a photo. You can then export the animated photo as an MP4 or animated GIF. To create moving overlays in Photoshop Elements, open the photo to which to apply the moving overlay in the photo editor. Then select Enhance, Moving Overlays from the menu bar to open the selected photo in the Moving Overlays window. You can use the Zoom tool and the Hand tool in the toolbar at the left side of the window to zoom and pan the preview image that appears as needed. You can also zoom the image by using the zoom slider towards the upper right corner of the window. The animated effects to apply appear in the scrollable pane at the right side of the window. To switch effect categories, select the type of effect to apply from the drop-down at the top of the pane. The choices include overlays, graphics, and frames. The selected type of effects then appear below the drop-down in the pane. To apply an effect to the preview image, double-click the effect to apply in the pane. You may only apply one effect from the Overlays and Frames category to an image, but you can add as many graphics as desired. To preview the effect on the preview image, click the Play button below the preview image. To pause the effect playback, click the Pause button that then replaces the Play button at the bottom of the window. To select an effect in the picture, click the Move tool in the toolbar at the left side of the window. Then click into the effect content to select it. To move a selected effect, click and drag it to the desired position and release it. To resize a selected effect, click and drag the desired resizing handles that appear at the corners and sides of the selected effect. If you resize the effect, then click the green check mark in the lower right corner of the effect to apply the resizing change, or click the red Cancel button to cancel it. To delete a selected effect, press the Delete or Del key on your keyboard. To reset all changes to a photo, click the Reset Image button that appears above the pane at the right side of the window. To protect the subject of the photo from all effects, check the Protect Subject checkbox in the pane at the right side of the window. To set the opacity of a selected effect, use the Opacity slider to set the desired percentage. To add or remove the overlay effect area by using a brush, click the Refine Overlay button in the pane to expand its options. Then click either the Subtract or Add button to subtract from the effect area or add to it as desired. Use the Brush Size slider to set the desired brush size. Then use the Brush Opacity slider to set the desired brush opacity. Then click and drag with the brush in the preview image to add or remove the effect as desired. To show the selection area of the effect as a red mask, check the Show Selection checkbox. To cancel creating the moving overlay photo, click the Cancel button in the lower right corner of the window to cancel your changes and close the window. Alternatively, to export the results as an MP4 or animated GIF, click the Export button. Then in the Save As dialog box that opens, choose the folder into which to save the animated file and type a name for it into the file name field. To select the file type, select either MP4 or GIF from the Save As Type dropdown. Optionally, to include it in the Elements Organizer, check the Include in the Elements Organizer checkbox. Then click the Save button to finish and export the animated file.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.